God, this fucking county is filled with fucking idiots. You're making a left turn. You can't make both turns. You're gonna pick whatever one comes first and go with it? Ridiculous. Who turns on their hazards to make a left? This idiot right on my fucking ass, too. That doesn't mean go forward more. It doesn't mean go forward more, you dumb bitch. Get off my ass. Fuck, now you turn off your hazards. You turn on your hazards every time you want to make a turn? Is your blinker broken or what? Damn, why do motorcycles always pull up on people's asses?
Camera intersection. Direction not enforced.
Last thing you want to do riding a motorcycle is ride someone's ass. And that's all they do at stoplights. They fucking ride up right on your ass.